This video will show you how to schedule group work for any assignment in your WebAssign course. Group work is a great way to foster collaboration and provoke discussion among your students. To begin, choose which assignment you would like to schedule as a group assignment. Note that any assignment in WebAssign can be assigned as group work. Once you've identified the assignment to be scheduled as a group assignment, click the corresponding blue arrow on the right and select Edit Restrictions. Group work is found at the bottom of this screen, so check Group Assignment and then click the link to open the Group Control panel. From here, you can choose from the drop-down the type of group you want to set up. The categories are described as follows. Class groups are groups you've already created for the class. We'll cover this later. Random will randomly put students into groups. Overall score will randomly put students into groups that reflect an even distribution of your students' total scores received so far for the class. Assignment score will randomly put students into groups that reflect an even distribution of your students' scores for a particular assignment. Group from previous assignment will select groups that you've already set up for previous assignments. And finally, manual allows you to create groups entirely from scratch. When using the group types random, overall score, or assignment score, click Go to generate groups. Groups will appear on the left-hand side of your screen, and you can keep clicking Go to generate new ones until you are satisfied. If you use the class groups functionality, you must first create groups. To do so, select Manual from the group type and click Go. To create a group, check the boxes next to the students you would like to add, and in the Modify Selected list, select Create Group. Then you can give your group a name. We'll call this group Group 3. You can move students among different groups with this functionality. Select students from the grouped or ungrouped list. Select Move from the Modify Selected list. And then select the group you would like to move them to. To remove students from a group, again, check the boxes next to the students you would like to remove, go to the Modify Selected list, and select Remove. Once you are done creating and modifying your groups, click Save Groups, and then close the Group Control panel. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the Edit Restrictions screen.